Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to bring you a detailed review of these awesome wireless earbuds featuring ENC noise cancellation, sports ear hooks, and an LED display charging case. These earbuds are perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their audio experience, whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or just chilling at home. Let's start with the basics. These are true wireless earbuds designed with ENC noise cancellation, which means they can effectively reduce background noise so you can focus on your music or calls. They come with a sleek charging case that has an LED display, giving you a quick glance at the battery status. The earbuds themselves have a sporty design with ear hooks, ensuring they stay securely in place even during intense workouts. Now let's dive into the technical details. These earbuds pack a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, which offers a solid playtime of up to 5 hours on a single charge. The charging case can provide an additional 20 hours of battery life, making it perfect for those long trips or busy days. They support Type-C charging, which is super convenient and fast. The earbuds also feature touch controls, allowing you to adjust the volume, switch tracks, and answer calls with just a simple tap. Using these earbuds is a breeze. First, make sure to charge them fully before your first use. To pair them with your device, simply open the charging case and turn on Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. They should connect automatically. Once connected, you can use the touch controls to manage your audio. For example, a single tap on the earbud will play or pause your music, while a double tap will skip to the next track. If you need to take a call, just tap once to answer and tap again to end the call. Let's talk about the good stuff. First off, the ENC noise cancellation is a game changer. It really helps to block out distractions, whether you're in a noisy environment or just want to focus on your tunes. The sports ear hooks are another standout feature. They keep the earbuds securely in place even during intense physical activity. I tried them out during a run and they didn't budge. The LED display on the charging case is also a nice touch. It gives you a quick and easy way to check the battery status without having to guess. Of course, no product is perfect. One minor drawback is that the earbuds can sometimes feel a bit bulky in the ears, especially if you're used to smaller earbuds. However, this is a small trade-off for the added security and stability provided by the ear hooks. Another point to consider is that the noise cancellation, while effective, isn't quite on par with some of the high-end models from other brands, but for the price, it's still pretty impressive. Overall, these wireless earbuds are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed audio companion. With their ENC noise cancellation, sports ear hooks, and convenient LED display charging case, they offer a lot of value. They're perfect for athletes, commuters, and anyone who wants a solid audio experience without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for new earbuds, I highly recommend giving these a try. They won't disappoint. Thank you for watching this review. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Have you used this product? Share your thoughts and comments. If you are considering purchasing one, check out the affiliate links in our profile bio, captions, or comments for more information. This could earn us a small commission. See you next time.